Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Lowe's credit card account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is enter this link lowe's.syf.com/accounts/login. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official login interface of Lowe's. From here you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your user ID and password. So click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID over here. Make sure to enter the correct user ID. The user ID is case sensitive. It may differ from your Lowe's.com user ID. Also enter your password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on this option, I forgot my user ID, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, you can also click on the option, I forgot my password, in order to recover your password. After you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on this option, secure login, that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Lowe's credit card account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.